Hi, welcome to Churchill County Library Virtual Storytime. My name is Jess. Today I have a story for you about Three Little Kittens by Barbara McClintock. Three little kittens and one little mouse. One morning, three little kittens were playing outside. Do I smell? I smell it too. I think it's pie. Yes, yum. I hope you haven't lost your mittens again, said their mom. But they had lost their mittens. Are we missing something? Oops. I just had them. And they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie. No pie? Not until you find your mittens. Meow, meow, meow. We shall have no pie. Our mittens we have lost. The three little kittens. Okay, let's stop crying and start looking. Where could they be? They found their mittens. Hey, look, here they are. Hooray! And they began to smile. Watch out, Pie, here we come. Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. What? Found your mittens? You good little kittens. Now you shall have some pie. Can you see what kind of pie it is? Looks like some kind of berries. Meow, meow, meow. We shall have some pie. Let us have some pie. The three little kittens. Ow, this pie is hot. Put on their mittens. I think we should put our mittens on so we don't burn our paws. Are you sure this is a good idea? Shouldn't we use our forks? And soon ate up the pie. Oops. Ooh, gross. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear our mittens we have soiled. What? You soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens? And they began to sigh. Meow, meow, meow. Our mittens we have soiled. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea after all. Why do I listen to you? Told you so. The three little kittens. March over to the sink right now. They washed their mittens. Just a little more soap. Hey, that's too much. But we want to get our mittens really clean. Do you see the little mouse? Uh-oh. Oops. I think we got some water on the floor. Let's get a mop and a bucket and a sponge and rags to wipe up the floor. All done. Let's put things away. These mittens sure are wet. Then they hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, look here. Our mittens we have washed. What? You washed your mittens, you good little kittens? You're the best kittens any mother ever had. And there's that little mouse. But I smell a mouse close by, Mother Kitten said. Meow, meow, meow. We smell a mouse close by. And the mouse says, I'm hungry. No worries, says Mother Cat. There's plenty of pie to go around. Sit down, everyone, and use your forks. Let's all have some pie. And they all had some pie, and they didn't use their mittens that time. The end. I hope you like that story. Oh, wait, there's one more. Thanks for helping clear the table. Do you want to play a game after the dishes are done? Yes, says the mouse. Parcheesi. Hope you like that story, and I hope you can join us for story time this week. We'll be talking about mittens. Hope to see you then.